Let's welcome the next demonstration given by 郝春瑜、坎开怡、唐尔强. Their project code is VL02a-21, and the title is Cloud-Based Wireless Coverage Characterization. The demo group, please start your presentation now and remember to turn on your microphone and camera. Share the PowerPoint if you have one. Thank you.
All right, so good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jerry, and my teammates are Kiki and Ezio. So today we're going to show you the demo of our project, Cloud-Based Wireless Coverage Characterization. So basically, in this project, we designed a new system to model the coverage of a cellular network, and hopefully this system will make the coverage modeling process more efficient. And we will show you a video, and in this video, you will see how the system works. We use a video because the entire workflow involves some data collection process in the outside, and the data exchange process takes some time. So it's very difficult to show the real-time demo in such a short demo time. So let's get started. So the first step is to turn on the database. The database is on our cloud server. And here you can see how the database is getting started. And now this is the mobile app, and this interface is the main interface of login. And for the demo purpose, let's create a new account and just type some random information here. And then you can log in. And all the user data are stored in our database. So yeah, log in. This is the main interface where you can upload the network-related data to our database. And you need to wait for some time to search for the GPS. And there you go. See, the button is enabled. And here you can see you have the location, the network type, the signal strength. And there is also a speedometer to make the process more interactive. And every time you upload new information, the virtual current, you will get 5 virtual coins where you can go to the store to redeem some objects, which will be shown later. And let's do it multiple times and go to the store and just pretend you are redeeming some objects. And we have already collected some data, and this is our database showing the data samples. And later we can use it to train our neural network. And this neural network is implemented on the Google Colab, and this is connected to the database using HTTP protocol to download all the data. And you can also visualize the data, and you can see it's very noisy. And so we do some data pre-processing to smooth it. Otherwise, the model may try to fit the noise. So this is after processing, and we build the model, compile it, and train it. You see the loss function is declining. The loss function is the MSE, but it's still not perfect because maybe it's because the data sample is still too small, or maybe the
Oh, I'm sorry to disturb you. but we can't hear you now. Seems that your voice is so small. Could you please check that? That it seems that you turn on your mic, but we can't hear you. Oh, sorry. We still can't hear you. And let me check if you end your demo, or you can switch that to your group mate to help you.
Okay, maybe let me share my screen. So inside the website, because we have designed two feedback with different functions, so maybe let's check the first one. So inside the heat map, we can like change the radius so that the color can fill the screen, and we can change the gradient and the opacity. And so this is the first heat map that we have created, which is not so that accurate. So to solve that, we have created another one, which is based on the classification neural networks. Yes, and we can see this is and that's the whole picture of our heat maps. So we just select a fixed area, and we just randomly collect some data and generate this network coverage. Yes, and that's our project.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. Now it's time for a Q&A section. Anyone who have questions can directly ask the demo group. Could you check the chat box? Okay. If there's no further questions, and we will go to the next demonstration. Then let's welcome the next demonstration. Oh, sorry. I missed one question. Maybe let's go back to you guys again. So the question is adding overfitting or underfitting in your machine learning model given by UKDD.
Yes, because the machine learning part is all worked by Jerry, but his mic is not well now, so he will answer it in the chat.
Okay.
And he has already answered it.
Okay. If there's no further question, we will invite the next group. Then